kuhaniika wikendi ino kuria itanyiitwo kurehe hamwe timu kuuma bururi wa Tanzania Zimbabwe na Uganda kuria urugamiriri ugite ati ahotani mirongo iri a mbere makorwo magitugwo na mbeca vari ninge Mbitika ici cia gofa nikoretwo ikihurwo njeki kimbeca.
Players play for the first day and the second day, and the last day, which will be on the 23rd, we will have a cut, and the first 48 will compete for the prizes. And this year we have the cash prizes, the top amateurs, 20 top amateurs who will emerge the winners, who will get cash prizes. We expect Ugandans, Tanzanians, and also the Zimbabweans who are also contenders. They are open to come and play this tournament. We for the amateur golfers and also for the ladies, there are quite a number who are coming from Tanzania. So we expect them to be here with us, and they are all welcome. And you talk about Bururi Cup. Bururi Cup started way back in 1913. We will be holding our 103rd tournament this year. The only years that Bururi Cup was not played was when we had the Second World War, and in 2020 when we had the COVID-19 pandemic.